Yo, man, YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Trap Extra, or SRT Trap, coming at y'all with another goddamn video, man. In today's video, what I got for y'all today is just a nice POV drive in the SRT 392, man. So, without further ado, man, I'm gonna give y'all boys a nice POV, because I don't feel like I really ever did a real POV in this car yet. So, with that being said, I'm about to give y'all boys one. This is gonna be a nice little, I'm gonna try to make this video like 10 minutes long without too much talking, but let's get straight into it. We are in my custom mode right now. We in track, you know what I'm saying, with the sport as a steering wheel. You feel me? I love this car, bro. But guess what? That motherfucking car payment coming up. I ain't gonna lie, twin. You know what I'm saying? That motherfucking payment coming up. If you got any SRT, bro, or RT or whatever, your payment over 500, bro, you know the pain. You know the pain. You know the pain. Plus that car insurance, you know the pain. Oh, God. But fuck it, we ball. You know what I'm saying? Let me get over. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. This bitch from Colorado. What the hell you doing over here from Colorado? Oh, hell no. See, Colorado people can't drive. Why you getting over? I'm supposed to be the only one. When you in SRT, bro, the road is only for you, not for other cars. You gotta drive these roads like that shit. The road is only made for you. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's how you bully people. You know what I'm saying? We about to do a pull right here. Whoa! Why he get in my way like this? Now I gotta go around him. I know y'all hear that whine. It's a little whine. I know y'all hear it. Whoa! Oh shit! Let me chill out a little bit. I'm bugging, yo. I'm bugging. I was going like 90 just now. I was going like 90 on this little ass road. I'm tripping. I'm gonna go this way. Nah, I ain't gonna go. Should I go this way? Yes. Let's go this way. Let's just go this way. I ain't gonna lie. Let's just go this way. You know what I'm saying? Oh, no, we making that light. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. We running that red light. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Bro, I was doing burnouts just now, bro, and my car smells straight like smoke, bro. I hate that shit, bro. I hate that shit, bro. Hold on, we about to do a pull from right here. Hard pull only. Oh my God, I love this car, bro. Let me down the window a little bit so I can hear it. Bro, this car sounds crazy, bro. Oh my God, I love this car, bro. Fuck, my nigga. Yo, we in an SRT, motherfucker, man. If you ain't ever drove an SRT, bro, or I got one, bro, get one, bro. I feel like every young nigga or everybody who is into cars, you need an SRT, bro. At least one, bro. At least for like a week, you need an SRT, bro. At least experience this in your lifetime, bro. Like, it's mad fun, bro. Even though this is a Scatpack or SRT 392, whatever y'all want to call it, it's still fun, bro. I could just imagine a Hellcat, bro. Like, god damn. Motherfucker, too fun. Let's go paddles. Oh my God. Paddle shift. We about to paddle shift. Oh my fucking God, I love this fucking car, bro. Shit like better than sex, my nigga. Y'all hear that whine, bro? I don't know if y'all hearing it, but I'm picking it up IRL, bro. It's a little whine, bro. Oh my God. Hold on, let's downshift.